Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. And as you know, the purpose of this channel is to bring all of the new and latest jobs all over the world. So once again, I'm here with you with all of the new jobs, and all of them are from Qatar today. So look at my job list today first. The first job is nurse from India, data flow and prometric. Next job is electrical technician's driver's job. And next is nanny live needed in Qatar. Then is accountant needed in Qatar, bike riders and car drivers required, housemaid required in Qatar, welder fabrication job in Qatar, admin officer vacancy in Qatar, office boy needed in Qatar, security guard required in Qatar. The next is 10 females and 10 males cleaners required, female supervisor for cleaning company, waiters and waitresses needed, and then 20 masons wanted in Qatar. So that was my job list today, and I have so many jobs, and hoping there is something for you as well. So first of all, I want to share something with you that please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and select all for all of the latest updates. And like all my videos, share all my videos with in your group, in your friends group, and watch this video up to the end. I thank you all. The nurse from India Data Flow and Prometric. Urgently required nurses, female nurses, obviously, in medical center, as mentioned below the details. So they have mentioned you about the salary packages. The total salary for the job of this nurse is 5,000 QR, which is actually the full package, including the basic salary 3,500 QR, accommodation 750 in transportation, including transportation as well, which is 750 QR. And you have to work for 88 hours per day. Your duty hours are 8 hours and a split shift basically. And the person for this, they want them to join them on immediate base, and unlimited contract, although it's a job on is on contract basis, but the contract should be of unlimited nature. Then 6 months probation period, 21 days annual leave. So per year you have they will provide you 21 days off, and every 2 years tickets, and after every 2 years they will provide you with a ticket as well. So if you are interested and you want to do this the nurse job and you have an experience as well, so apply for this job on the following given email address, share your CV and apply. You can contact them for further details regarding the salaries, regarding the certificates. So you can contact them and get the details. So then next job is electrical technician drivers jobs. So we need electricians, plumbers, drivers, boom truck driver, helpers, carpenters. So once again, in this company where there, once again, we have so many jobs, and for the contact, they have given you the WhatsApp number. Please call them, share your CVs as well, and get the details. The nanny live needed in Qatar. So live-in, by the way, this is live-in nanny is needing. So there is a person who need a live-in nanny for his two boys, ages 3 and 5 years. So he has two boys. One is of 3 years of age, and the other one is 5 years of age, and they need some nanny to be live with them. So accommodation and feeding will be provided. So they're going to provide you the food and the accommodation as well, along with the 1900 QAR salary. So they live in Garafa, I think so. And if interested people, send me a message on WhatsApp. So if you are interested, just text them, don't call them. And they need a person who can speak in English as well. So please share your CV at the following given email address. WhatsApp them your CV, and you can also contact them by texting them. So accountant needed in Qatar. Next job is of accountant, required accountant purchasers for supermarket in Dafna, and local candidates with transferable NOC. So they need the person who is living in Qatar these days, and means local candidates, only those who can apply for these jobs who are living in Qatar these days. 2 years experience required. So the living experience is 2 years. Experience in supermarket is preferred. So if you have an experience regarding the supermarkets, then apply for this job. They need visa change is necessary. Salary is 1600 to 2400 based on your experience plus food plus accommodation. So company is going to provide you the accommodation and food along with the salary. So mail your CV along with your name, phone number, current location, and visa type, and PP copy as well on the following given email address. So, bike driver, riders, and car drivers required. Our company is hiring bike and car drivers, which will deliver food and other items to our customers all over the Qatar. So, they need riders, and the car drivers, and they have to deliver the food items, by the way, throughout the Qatar. An applicant should be willing to transfer their sponsorship to us, and salary will be on per order basis plus cash incentive. So salary plus the incentive means this is the commission kind of thing. And if you reached the target every month, you will earn from QR 3600 to QR 5000 plus cash reward if you have good performance. So this salary and this is depending upon your performance. And join us, and you will have a better future with us compared to other delivery companies. So they are claiming that they are providing you a good environment and a better future as well. So if you're interested, please send CV WhatsApp, and their office is in Andalus petrol station Al Muntahaza. So please share your CV and contact them through this number, WhatsApp number, and call them and contact them. Then next job is housemaid required in Qatar. Urgently required full-time housemaid for a small Indian family. So there is a family, Indian family. They need a housemaid, and they are going to provide you a good salary. They need a worthy candidate. They want someone who has a good personality along with the, hardworking kind of nature. And local candidates with transferable visa may also apply. So anyone can apply for this job. They basically need a housemaid on an urgent basis. So call them, as they mentioned this thing, that you can call them at the following given number. So if you are interested, please call them directly. You can share your CVs as well for further contact. Welder fabrication job in Qatar, then we are looking for a welder fabricator. We offer a good salary, accommodation, and transportation along with the overtime. So overtime is there along with the salary, and salary is also negotiable, and they will discuss during the interview. So interested candidates, please share your CVs as the following given email address. Then admin officer vacancy in Qatar, a leading grade A engineering company. So there is a company which is of considering as grade A engineering company. They are working with the government entities. Okay, so it means it's a good job, and it's a high profile job, by the way. So we are looking for smart and talented candidate for admin officer position for immediate interview and hire. So interested candidates may send their resume or CV to the following given email address. So please, if you are interested, they didn't mention any criteria, they didn't mention any this sort of responsibility and specific skills regarding this job. So please, without hesitating, apply for this job, as it's involving the government as well. So it could be helpful for you in future. So then office boy needed in Qatar. Office boy needed immediately. Salary package will be discussed during interview. Change of employment is possible. For interview details, kindly send the CV to Mr. Sohail. Call between 9 a.m. to 8 a.m., 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. So call them between 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and salary they didn't mention, as this is negotiable. They will discuss with you according to your qualification, according to your experience during your interview. So apply for this. It's a job of office boy. Someone has mentioned this kind of job in the comments as well. So security guard required in Qatar. Place is Doha, and they are hiring security guard. Salary is 1800 plus accommodation and transport, 8 working hours plus overtime. can change sponsorships. Send your CV and at WhatsApp. Interviews are going on between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So interview timings would be 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. And if you want to call them, so please call them between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Calling time would be 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and the interview timings are 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And there is a number through which you can call them. You can share your CV as well. You can share your CV as well, and then 10 female and 10 males are required for cleaners. Cleaners, by the way, are required. 10 females and 10 males cleaners required. In places Doha, 10 males and 10 females cleaners required for some cleaning company. Salary is 1500 plus overtime. Accommodation and transport company will provide. So accommodation, transport company will be provided, and overtime and salary. Along with the overtime and salary, so the working hours are the 8 working hours. Candidate must have valid Qatar ID. Candidates must have valid Qatar ID. For further details, kindly WhatsApp your CV at okay, then the thing is, once again, this is the same company, by the way. Kind WhatsApp your CV and call between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And the interview timing is 11 a.m. interview time. So 11, so if you want to appear in the interview, then you need to reach there by 11 a.m. and call between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Next is female supervisor for cleaning company. Place is Doha. We need female supervisor for cleaning company, and salary will be between 2000 to 2500. Decide during interview. So once again, the salary is not the hard and fast salary. They are basically providing you on your interview. They will decide this thing during the interview, and the working hours 8 hours plus the overtime. Accommodation and transportation will be provided by the company. Change of sponsorship is available. Share your CV and call between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. 11 a.m. interview time for this cleaners, this female supervisor job for the cleaning company. Once again, the interview timings are same and calling times would be the same for as the company is same. Then waiter and waitresses needed. We need waiter and waitresses, valet parking attendants, housekeeping staff. So once again, there are more than one job. Salary is 1500 and 8 working hours plus 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours overtime. So along with the working hours, you can go for the overtimes as well. 8 working hours plus 2 to 4 hours overtime. Food, accommodation, and transportation company will provide. Change of sponsorships are available. Once again, this is the same company. They have so many vacancies. Please, if you have nothing to do these days, you are doing nothing, you want to do something, you want to apply for this some job, so it's a very good chance. And if you are in Qatar, please go for these jobs, apply there. And as there are so many kinds of job: housekeeping, valet parking attendants, waiter and waitresses, cleaners, and females for the jobs for the females as well as supervisors. So you can call them between 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. And there is number which is you can use for the calls. And that was my last job. I thank you all for the patience listening, and I want you to watch this video up to the end. And thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting them. I want your feedback for the improvement of my channel. And thank you so much if you were writing things for me. Allah Hafiz.